The optoelectronic detection system is designed based on the concept of self-driven and independent operation. It integrates AI learning and artificial neural network algorithms, and breaks through the independence of traditional photoelectronic systems on radar and radio spectrum detection equipment, integrates the functions of detection, intelligent identification, target positioning, and evidence collection tracking. It can continuously detect, identify, and track drone in a low altitude range for 7 times 24 hours. The equipment is equipped with 3 cameras, 1 tracking camera, 360 degrees for airspace detection. The equipment adopts integrated design or assembly, direct installation. The equipment can be supported by utility power or UPS. For network access, users can connect the network through optical fiber to standard network cable. It can also be connected through Wi-Fi. After the equipment is deployed, it is controlled by the software platform. Enter the call name and passport to access the drone defense system. When a drone is detected, the system will automatically alarm. The main interface can display the number of drones, models, distance, orientation, and other information. Click the event button to view information such as detection time, duration, drone type, and history. Click the statistics button to check the drone statistic report. Include total drones, commercial drones, intrusion time, incident trends, and other information. Click the device button to view the operating status of controller, engine, and sensor.